my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and hope you all are doing well and awesome. So yes, as you know from the title, this is going to be an EXO reaction and I'm going to be reacting to their song Monster. And this is a fairly old song. This came in 2016. But yes, in my last EXO reaction, the EXO-L said that please react to this song, and this is my third song of theirs. So I'm really excited. I now can place the members sort of 70%, not 100%, but yes, at least I know their names now, at least all the 9 members. So I'm super duper excited. So let's just get into the reaction. Alright, Monster by EXO. This is exciting. Yes, my boy Kai! Oh my god, I'm sorry, Are you kidding me? EXO-Ls! Oh my god. Okay, so this is, the first thing which came in my mind when I saw those visuals is that this is just the third song of theirs I'm reacting to, and do they like these kind of dark, desirable themes? Because it was the case in Love Shot, it was the case with Obsession, and now with Monster also I'm getting the same feeling. So, is it the case that they really are into these desirable kind of dark theme? And are you seeing this visual? Wait. Oh my god! He is not wearing that lip chain thing. That's he is Baekhyun. Please let me know, correct me if I'm pronouncing the names wrong. Yes, that's him. That's him. No, I have not even listened to the song, and with that first beat only, I'm feeling that. Oh my god. Oh, sorry, the subtitles. Always forget. Don't tell me. Korean auto-generated? How will I even know the meaning of this song? Okay, then I'll have to check the lyric video later. But, okay. I can just enjoy the songs. Oh my god. See? Oh, Kai. Dio! Oh, who was that? Who was that? Suho? Was that Suho? I could be wrong. But I think that's Suho. Yes! My boy! Kai! That was an English line. Wait. You can call me Monster. Oh, okay. Initially I was thinking maybe they are getting chased by monsters. But you can, so they are the monsters and I'm creeping in your heart. Oh, all decoding will start now. EXO-Ls, huh? I cannot get over these visuals, especially Baekhyun with the lip chain. Oh my god. Don't be afraid, love is the way. Yes! Visuals are just killing me. Oh my god. So I absolutely do not know what they're saying, but they're saying don't be afraid, love is the way. So you can call. So I think they are the monsters, and they're telling this person that I'm gonna creep my way into your heart. I'm gonna be like a monster who will not stop chasing you. And I think it goes with the visuals because they really look like they're dark selves. And if you see, they are all in few of the visuals that they were like hurt. They were literally hurt. They had like bruise marks over there. So I think the person that they're singing for is resisting that I don't want you to creep in my heart, but they are trying to creep in our hearts, but I'm not gonna stop them. Please creep in my heart. Oh, they're amazing. See, they're hurt. Oh my god, that chain! Don't be afraid, love is the way.
You can call me monster.
Oh yes! See this visual? So I think these bodyguards, not bodyguards really, they are like the protecting force, the commando force. I think they represent the walls or the bodyguards of our heart. We are not letting these guys creep in our heart or your heart when they are saying, but they are pushing their way in to our hearts, and that is why they're getting bruised and stuff. So they are not giving up. So I'm guessing that's what the MV is about. Let me know. This is all my guesswork, huh? With 2-3 lines, English lines that I can understand, and the visuals. See? I like Dio also. He's nice. See? They're getting hurt. But since they are monsters, they are gonna creep in our hearts. Yes!
You make me so crazy, you know you do.
Oh yes! They look amazing.
저보다가 깜짝 놀라지. 내게 난 티노미 같은 난 내 존재의 일부. 날 그대로 받아들여 너의 두려움 걱정은 접어두려. 네가 견딜만 한 고통을 누려 더 깊이 빠져들어. 널 맘대로 가지고 놀아 내 손에서 마음껏 놀아. 도망가지만 난 영원히 난 두려워. You can call me monster. I'm creeping in your heart. 뒤집고 무너뜨리고 삼켜. 그래 넌 훔쳤단 믿게. 널 마주쳐 놓을 거야.
Oh yes! See, they're all handcuffed. Woo! Oh wow. Oh, so I think they win. They win. Whoo! Yes! Oh my god. All the 3 songs that I listened to, all the 3, just amazing. All the 3 EXO songs, Love Shot, Obsession and Monster. Just too good, guys. EXO-Ls, I am literally dying. Oh my god. Can you guys, because you know what, it'll be easier for me because I don't know if I got the names where I was guessing, you know, this is probably that member. I probably got couple of them wrong. I'm not sure. Please let me know. But I was asking if, you know, EXO-L can tell me if there is a video of their introduction or compilation, like, you know, because that gives a more recall value and I'll probably remember them better, because like I did it for, I remember I have only done it for two groups, Blackpink and BTS, but you know, where they explain about the members, and you know, this is the vocalist, this is the rapper, that's how their personality trait is. I would love to react to a compilation of EXO and all their member introductions. I would love that. I would really love that. So if there is some sort of compilation that is there which is made by the fandom, please do let me know. I will definitely watch and react to it. So yes, that was the reaction of Monster. I of course do not know the meaning of the lyrics because there were no subtitles, so I will watch the lyric video. But this is what my guess was. Let me know if I guessed it correctly, like with the visuals and those two English lines that I could understand. But oh my god, I loved the dark theme. This was the same thing in Obsession, where it was so, I don't know, so desirable. The MV was so desirable, and here also it was the same. In fact, in Love Shot also it was like that. So is it like a running theme with their MVs? Please let me know that, because I'm loving this. And Baekhyun, I think I got him correct. At least I got his face and name correct with the lip chain. Yeah, please creep all your way into my heart. I will not mind. Oh my god, this was amazing. I loved this song. I really do not know which one I liked the most out of three if I had to choose, because I liked all three. All three of them have such a punch, you know, all three songs. Oh, I love them. This is awesome. Please, I really am interested to react to one of their introductory compilations, and I'm sure they also have funny compilations. Please let me know. So that was it from me. I hope you enjoyed this reaction, and if you are a K-pop lover, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you on my next video, guys. Bye bye.